Does anyone here have a wife or lover who, when angry, closes the car door very hard, making you feel extremely sorry for your boss? In fact, closing the door strongly is very harmful to the parts on the car door. Therefore, you should not regret a few $100,000 and immediately equip your car with anti-shock rubber stoppers and shock absorbers. Made from pure rubber, up to 3 layers thick, this small but powerful button will significantly reduce the force of closing the door, making it extremely smooth for wives no matter how hard they close the door, protecting their umbrellas, car, extending the life of car doors, car cups or hoods. Now you can rest assured. Order now.